Dear children, here we are going to do one more sum on ledger. Okay. Now ledger, if you have watched my earlier videos, you would have had by now a basic hang of it. Now let us take a sum where you have been given to pass necessary journal entries and also prepare ledger accounts. But point to me, ledger accounts for all the personal accounts only. So here this word personal account you have to take care of. But before that, let us pass the journal entry. So it's a quick brush up of your journals also. First entry, started business with 1 lakh being deposited into bank. Fine. So money is going into bank, asset increasing. So bank account, debit. And who is bringing in the money? The proprietor, which is his account? The capital account, right? So whenever he is bringing in money into business, we credit the capital account because capital is a liability. So increase in capital, credit, okay? So bank account debit to capital account 1 lakh, your first entry for being the business starter. Next one, paid salaries by check. Salaries you are paying by check, meaning money is going from the bank. So which are the two accounts involved? Salary and bank. Salary is an expense, debit or expenses and losses, and the money is going from bank, so asset is decreasing, so credit the asset when it decreases. So salary account debit to bank. Next, customer Mr. Subhash, who owed us 11,000, paid us 1 lakh in full. Okay. So here Mr. Subhash owed us 11,000. Out of that he is paying me only 10,000. So 1,000 is discount allowed. Wonderful. When you receive a payment, you can allow a discount, which is an expense to you. So debit discount allowed. What are you receiving? Cash. So cash is an asset. It is increasing. Debit it. So cash account debit 10,000. Discount allowed debit 1,000 to Subhash because he was a debtor. Now he has paid us the money. He is no more a debtor, no more an asset. So credit him entirely with 11,000. Last one. Purchase from Deepak 20,000. Of course, purchase what? Goods. Nothing is said. It's goods. So purchases account debit. It's an expense to you. And Mr. Deepak, who is now a liability because you owe him 20,000. So he is a creditor to you. So please credit Deepak's account with 20,000. Total it up, your journal is done. Now you have to post. Yeah, posting is the word which we use for transferring entries from journal into ledger. Right? So here we need to make only personal accounts. So it is important that you identify personal accounts. Personal accounts meaning related to people. Bank account. Is it a personal account? Very much. A bank is a company. It's an artificial person. It has got a separate legal entity. Okay. So bank enters into transaction in the name of the bank, right? ICICI Bank, SBI, Punjab National Bank. So all these banks, bank accounts are personal accounts. Therefore, so let us identify which all accounts we will make. Bank account, number 1. Then capital is appearing. Capital is also a personal account of the proprietor. Wonderful. So this is the second account I'll make. Salaries is an expense, not a personal account. Bank, of course, this also goes to this bank account only, the same account. Cash is an asset account, so it is a real account. Discount allowed, a nominal account, expense. Subhash, yes, Subhash is a real person, so third account will be for him. He was my debtor. And purchases is a nominal account, an expense. So no, we are not opening that account. Deepak's account. Yes, Deepak again is my creditor. So I will open 4 accounts. Bank, capital, Subhash and Deepak. Now here marks would also be, in such questions, marks would also be allotted for correctly identifying the accounts. You will not prepare all of these accounts, salary account, cash account, discount account. No. You have been asked only personal accounts, so you will open only personal accounts. Alright, you should be able to know what is personal account. So here, first one we open the bank account. So bank account, we are debiting bank account here with 1 lakh. So we will debit bank with 1 lakh here. Okay, which is the corresponding credit account? It is capital. So I will write here to capital account. Correct? So this posting done. I also have to open the capital account. So I will make another account and name it. First thing, whenever you open an account, please name it properly so that you do not miss out on that and lose marks. Alright? So capital account, debit side, credit side. All accounts have a debit and a credit side. Capital account is being credited here. Right? So we will always credit the account here also with 1 lakh. Okay? Remember, if it is being, the account is being debited in journal, ledger may be debit hoga. Credit ho raha hai, yahan pe bhi credit hoga. It cannot be different, okay? So credit here and the corresponding debit came from bank. So I will write by bank account. Alright? Next we go to this again, the bank account here. Now this is being credited. Bank se paisa ja raha hai, asset ka. And which is the corresponding debit? Salary, because we are paying salary through check. So 5,000 gone out of 1 lakh that I had deposited. Correct? Now, next is Subhash account. So again, I make another account which is named as Subhash account. Right? So Subhash account ready here. Now, so we will close and do the balancing later on. We will first thing post all entries. Subhash account credit 11,000 and the corresponding debits are 2 accounts there. So credit side I will write by cash 10,000 and by discount allowed 1,000. So in effect I have credited 11,000, but because there are 2 accounts, I will have there also 2 debits shown, because this 11,000 credit is not coming from any one particular debit. So both debits will come here. Please take care of compound entry postings. Then we have Deepak's account. Deepak's account is being credited. Okay. So we have Deepak. Deepak's account being credited by, we have purchase goods. So we will write here by purchases. Okay, 20,000. So now posting we all have done. All the posting to all personal accounts that I had to open is done. Now we have to balance them and close them. Right? Let us see bank account. Bank account balancing means, children, always trying to find out which side is more. Debit side total is more or credit side total is more. In this case, debit side is already 1 lakh. Credit side is only 5,000. So which side is more? Debit side is more. So to make it equal, I will have to put the weight here on the lighter side, right? So I will put the balancing figure. 1 lakh minus 5,000, 95,000 is the balancing figure. If I put 95,000 there, my credit and debit side both will become 1 lakh, and then only will I be able to close this account, okay? 1 lakh on both sides. So now it's balanced. But what do I write there? Yes, by balance carried down or carried forward also is fine, okay? This is the balance left at the end of the period and we are carrying forward that to the next period. Capital account, same thing. Debit side is 0, credit side is 1 lakh. So obviously to make it equal, I will put 1 lakh here. Now, both sides are 1 lakh. So I can close this account because now it's equal. And what do I write here? 2 balance carried down. Simple. Either side can be less. So you put the weight on the lighter side. Jis taraf kam aa raha hai total, us taraf balancing figure डालो. Okay. Here again I see the credit side is more. It's coming to 11,000. But there is a thing that I have missed here. There was one very vital information. A customer, Mr. Subhash, who owed us 11,000. Now this is an information. This is not a transaction. This, who owed us 11,000. Meaning, this is not something that he's just paid out of the blue. He paid us because he owed us 11,000. He owed us 11,000 meaning he was my debtor. His account was showing this 11,000 as due. So where is that? Okay, so this is to balance brought down, not carry down. I am not closing right now. Okay, first thing I will write here to balance brought down 11,000 because this sum says that he owed me 11,000 and that 11,000 he has paid off like this. Therefore, there is no balance in his account and this is closed. Alright, he was a debtor for 11,000. So that information I have to show here. This was in the beginning. After that, he has paid me this and therefore now the account is closed. There is no balance. Clear? Deepak's account, of course, we do not have any other information, previous information. So here it is showing he is a creditor of 20,000 and we haven't paid him any 20,000. So I close it by doing to balance carried down and total it up as 20,000. Alright. So this is how I close all the personal accounts and balance and tally. Alright. That's how you make your ledger from journal. So I think we have done a lot of practice on ledger. If you have any queries, put your queries in the comment box. Watch all my videos properly once again and then you can, I'm sure you will be able to do all the sums there. Okay. Keep practicing accounts in the simplest of way and stay safe and stay healthy. Take care children and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you get the constant notifications also and like and subscribe too. Bye-bye.